Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Samsung Product Consultant channel. Today, I am greeting you from our Izmir Hilltown Samsung store. We are reviewing a very special product that will completely change the air quality in your home or office, standing out with its technology. The Samsung AX5500 Air Purifier. I have just finished the unboxing of this powerful device, and now in this 5-minute video, I will explain all its technical details, hidden features, and the quality of life it offers us, step by step from an expert's perspective. If you're ready, let's get started. When we open the box, we are welcomed by a highly premium, stylish body with a silver front panel. This model is not just a tech device. It's an aesthetic piece that will blend perfectly with your home decor. When we remove the front cover, we encounter the multi-layered filtration system, which is a marvel of engineering. One of the biggest advantages of the AX5500 is that it draws air directly from the front panel. What does this mean? Even if you place the device right against or very close to the wall, it doesn't lose any of its performance. Moreover, you can easily access everything from the front panel for filter replacement and cleaning without even moving the device. Now, let's get to the heart of this device, the multi-layered high-efficiency purification system. We pass the air through a 3-stage filter while purifying it. First, the outermost washable pre-filter kicks in. This filter captures all visible particles such as pollen, pet hair, and large dust motes. Right behind it is the activated carbon deodorization filter. It instantly absorbs cooking odors, pet odors, cigarette smoke, and harmful gases suspended in the air. And the most critical phase, the ultrafine dust filter, namely the high-efficiency Hepa filter. This filter captures and traps 99.97% of ultrafine dust and bacteria as small as 0.26 microns. It is a true lifesaver for allergy sufferers, asthma patients, and families with children. Where does that crystal-clear air passing through the filters go? This is where Samsung's 3-way airflow system comes into play. Thanks to the wide outlets located at the top and on both sides, the clean air is distributed to every corner of the room much faster and at a wider angle. The AX5500 has the capacity to perfectly purify a large area of 60 square meters all by itself. Its CADR, meaning the clean air delivery rate, is exactly 467 cubic meters per hour. This is truly a massive performance for a device in this class. When we turn on the device, the smart, intuitive display on the top welcomes us. The AX5500 doesn't just guess the air quality in the room, it measures it precisely. The laser PM sensor on it instantly scans for particles of 1.0, 2.5, and 10 microns that we cannot see with the naked eye. The gas sensor, on the other hand, analyzes the odor status in the room. Thanks to the 4-color indicator on the screen, you can see the air cleanliness status instantly. Red means polluted, and blue means the air is completely purified. You can also monitor the PM 1.0/2.5/10 levels as numerical values in real time on the screen. Of course, as a Samsung classic, our device is fully smart. Even if you are not at home, you can remotely turn the device on and off, check the air quality, and monitor the filter life in real time with your smartphone via the SmartThings app. In daily use, Auto Mode senses the air and adjusts the fan speed automatically. When you switch it to Sleep Mode, while sleeping at night, the screen lights turn off, and the device operates at only 20 decibels, almost quieter than a whisper, never disturbing your sleep. To sum up, with its design, 3-way air distribution, high capacity of 60 square meters, and smart sensors, the Samsung AX5500 is ready to change the air in your home. If you want to examine the product closer, we welcome you to our Izmir Hilltown Samsung store. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share your questions with me in the comments. See you in the next video. I wish you clean and healthy days.